If you're feeling overwhelmed by all the tech trends and job market changes, you're not alone. Today, I'm breaking down the real IT skills that employers are looking for. Not just the buzzwords, but the skills that will actually help you land your dream job. Stick around because I'll also share practical steps you can take to learn these skills and stand out from the crowd. Let's start by looking at the big picture. What's changed in the IT job market? First, the demand for IT professionals is higher than ever, but the types of skills employers want are shifting. It's not just about knowing the latest programming language or tool. Employers are looking for people who can solve real problems and adapt quickly. Since 2024, we've seen a big move towards cloud-based solutions, smarter security, and data-driven decision-making. Economic changes like remote work and global hiring mean companies can pick from a bigger pool of talent. This makes it even more important to have the right skills on your resume. The old debate about being a generalist or a specialist is changing too. Now, companies want people who have a strong core skill set, but can also learn new things fast. So, what does this mean for you? It means you need to focus on both deep technical knowledge and the ability to pick up new skills as the industry changes. Let's dive into the core tech skills that are non-negotiable for 2025. First up, cloud computing. If you're not comfortable with platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, now is the time to start. More companies are moving to multi-cloud environments, which means you should know how to work with more than one provider. For example, a company might use AWS for storage, Azure for machine learning, and GCP for analytics. If you can show you're comfortable switching between these, you'll stand out. Next, cybersecurity is more important than ever. With the rise of AI-driven threats, companies need people who can spot and stop attacks before they happen. It's not just about setting up firewalls anymore. You need to understand advanced threat intelligence, like how to detect unusual patterns in network traffic. If you can show you know how to keep data safe, you'll be in high demand. Data literacy and analytics is another must-have. It's not enough to collect data. You need to know how to make sense of it. This means being comfortable with SQL, but also with tools like Python or R for deeper analysis. If you can build simple machine learning models to find insights, that's a huge plus. For example, imagine helping a company predict customer trends or spot problems before they happen. That's the kind of value employers are looking for. Now, let's talk about the emerging and high-value IT skills you can't ignore. AI and MLOps are at the top of the list. It's not just about building AI models, but knowing how to get them working in real-world systems. This is where prompt engineering comes in, writing clear instructions for AI tools to get the results you want. If you can bridge the gap between data science and software engineering, you'll be ahead of the curve. Blockchain and decentralized tech are also growing fast, but it's not just about cryptocurrency anymore. Companies are using blockchain for things like supply chain tracking, digital identity, and smart contracts. If you can build or manage these systems, you'll have a unique skill set. Green IT and sustainability are becoming more important too. Companies want to reduce their energy use and make sure their tech is ethical. If you know how to optimize servers for energy efficiency or design systems that use less power, you'll be a valuable asset. But technical skills aren't enough on their own. Let's talk about the soft skills that can really seal the deal. First, adaptive learning and reskilling agility. The tech world changes fast, so you need to show you can keep up. This means being open to learning new tools, even if they're outside your comfort zone. For example, maybe you're a back-end developer, but you take a course in cloud security because your company needs it. That kind of flexibility is what employers want. Cross-functional collaboration is another key skill. You'll often work with people who aren't technical, like marketing, sales, or customer support. If you can explain complex ideas in simple terms and understand what other teams need, you'll be a better teammate. Problem-solving and critical thinking are also essential. IT systems are getting more complex, and things don't always go as planned. If you can break down a big problem into smaller steps and find creative solutions, you'll be trusted with bigger projects. Before we jump into how you can actually get these skills, smash that like button if you're getting value from this video, and hit subscribe with the bell on so you're always in the loop on the hottest IT and AI trends. So, how do you actually get these skills and land the job? Start with targeted learning paths. Look for boot camps, online courses, or certifications that match the skills you want. For example, if you want to work in cloud computing, consider the AWS Solutions Architect Professional Certification. If you're interested in Kubernetes, the CKAuD certification is a good choice. But don't just collect certificates, focus on real projects. Build a portfolio that shows what you can do. For example, set up a cloud environment for a mock company or create a dashboard that analyzes real data. Share your work on GitHub or a personal website. This shows employers you can apply your skills, not just talk about them. Networking is also key in this era. Join online communities, attend virtual conferences, and connect with people in your field. You never know when a conversation could lead to a job opportunity. For example, you might join a LinkedIn group for cloud professionals and find out about a company that's hiring. Or you might attend a virtual hackathon and meet someone who becomes your mentor. If you're wondering whether AI is going to replace your IT job or make it even more valuable, I've got a full breakdown in my video, Will AI Take Your IT Job? I explain what roles are at risk, which ones are safe, and how to future-proof your career. Click the link on the top right iCard or in the description to watch it next. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap of your action plan. Focus on core skills like cloud computing, cybersecurity, and data analytics. Learn about emerging areas like AI, blockchain, and green IT. Work on soft skills like adaptability, collaboration, and problem solving. Choose learning paths that give you hands-on experience, not just theory. Build a portfolio that shows your real-world skills. Network with others in the industry to find new opportunities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more career tips. Let me know in the comments which IT skill you're most excited to learn in 2025. And if you have any questions about building your IT career, drop them below. I read every comment. Remember, the best time to start learning is now. Stay curious, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video.